Oh, hello, my lovely friends. Clarissa is back. More anti-aging for you, and I hope you're doing good, staying home protected, and reflecting. I think it's a time for everyone to be in reflection. A lot of people are staying home, and so I know there are times that I have to leave home when I need supplies from the health food store, like organic vegetables and things that are not easily stored because it goes bad. But when I leave home, I am very well protected, and I use my special glasses, my mask, gloves. But yeah, like I said, it's a time for prayer or reflection. Pray for the people that are being affected with this virus. And I always think about the homeless. How are they surviving? It just breaks my heart. But anyways, thank you so much for your beautiful comments. And make sure you share these videos, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments and ideas. And as you know, girls, if there are hate comments, my secretary from her home now, she looks at the comments, and if there are comments that are not kind and they are offensive, she removes them. I don't even have to read them. So let's start with the video. This video is going to be about belly fat for women that struggle and they are over 40, 50, 60. Premenopausal women or menopausal women that are struggling with this. And you don't have to struggle, you know, girls. And so now there are many factors why women accumulate belly fat during these times of menopause and premenopause. And so one of the factors is the lowering of estrogen. The ovaries are the main producers of estrogen. And so, but when you reach to the point of menopause, the adrenals make some estrogen and the fat cells. But this type of estrogen production is not healthy because it causes the obesity and woman after menopause, and also breast cancer. But you could, you know, you could keep it in control by different tips that I'm going to give you. And so, but let's talk about the factors. Another factor of belly fat is toxic body. The bowels are not moving properly, and so it's actually not fat, but it is an accumulation of toxic material that makes you have a belly. And also the lack of production of growth hormone. Growth hormone, when it slows down, you are going to start gaining weight in the center of your body. And also the other reason is too much cortisol levels. The same thing, you will develop you know, fat around the center of your body. And so there are many things that you could do to lower cholesterol. There are supplementations that treat cholesterol. Cholesterol, I said? No, cortisol. There are supplementations that it treats cortisol. And one of them that I'm going to mention is Panthenol. It's one of the big complex vitamins that treats your adrenals, helps with your nervous system. Panthenol is a beautiful vitamin, and so you could take as much as 3,000 mgs of Panthenol without side effects. But before I suggest nutrition or any type of other supplementation, you have to consult your doctor. This is just a suggestion, so I am not responsible if something happens to you. That's why I'm saying, if you are a very mature person and you have health issues, you need to consult your doctor. Going back to Panthenol, Panthenol helps, actually, people don't know this, lose weight. It will help to lose weight. It will help to maintain your weight normal. I had taken Panthenol for as long as I remember. And okay, so let me see. So those are the factors of having, you know, a belly after menopause. Estrogen is one of the main factors, and when you stop producing estrogen, then your collagen levels also will go down, because estrogen is responsible to maintain the collagen levels in your system. And keep in mind that you have to also watch your sugar levels and your blood. Too much carbohydrates, too much sugar, and in order to maintain the sugar levels even, protein is a must, a good quality protein, because when you take protein, a drink that has 22 grams of protein, for example, it's going to maintain your sugar levels and without being hungry. And so what I also suggest is eating only one time daily. So first consult your doctor if you're able to do that. I have done it for as long as I remember. Again, my mother had taught us that. My parents, as you said, we all eat only one time a day. My mother, to this day, it's only one time a day. And so that keeps your growth hormone levels active, producing growth hormone. People that eat like one time a day, or eat small amounts of food, those people look younger. The reason is, I had explained in another videos, is because your intestinal tract is like a machine, okay? So the more food you put in your intestinal tract, the more it's wearing out, because it's working really hard to digest that food. It's like the motor in a car. The more you run, the older the car is going to be. The mileage is going to be very, very high. And the same thing with our intestinal tract. It's like a motor. If we put that motor to work, your intestinal tract to work so hard, it's working so hard that it's aging your body. And also I recommend enzymes, plant enzymes, to help digest your food. That way the food will be properly digested, and it's not sitting in your intestinal tract, especially in your colon, because when food is sitting and putrefying in your colon, it will attach to the walls, the putrefaction, becoming really, really hard, like a rubber. My camera just stopped working, and I was just talking like the camera was on. But I was saying that enzymes are very important to have proper digestion, because you don't want that food sitting on your colon, putrefying, and then after it's being putrefied, then reaches to the intestinal walls, and then from the intestinal walls it will reach your cells and your bloodstream. I explained that in my last video. The putrefaction that is attached to the walls, it becomes really hard, very hard, like a rubber. Not even colonics will be able to remove it. So it's so important that you take care of your body with proper detoxification, because that's another reason that women accumulate fat. Another reason is that that when you get older, you're not burning fat as when you are younger. The fat metabolism has slowed down because your energy also slows down. You have less energy. So that's why I emphasize saying keep yourself active. And because if you are not active, then the body gets used to be sedentary, and then your energy levels become weaker, your body become weaker. And in order for you to maintain active, you will have to do some kind of a workout, walk. Of course, now we cannot go and walk out there, but in my case, I work out here at home every single day. And working out also releases growth hormone. It maintains the body youthful. You don't want to have a lethargic body. That's signs of aging. When you don't have the energy, it's signs of aging. So when the body is toxic, also it will make the body lethargic and with lack of energy. So the main thing is have your body detoxify. And also I want to mention that when it comes to hormones, try to go to a doctor, a homeopathic doctor, to give you natural bioidentical hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Also the other hormones like DHEA and pregnenolone are very good to have it as a transdermal compound to apply it on your body. And it has to be from completely natural sources. So I can't tell you how much progesterone you need or how much estrogen you need, because they have to make a test. It's personalized for you, customized for you. So hormones like pregnenolone, it helps with your memory. So lack of hormones, it really gives you a very confused memory, kind of like a cloudy memory. And so there are so many things to talk about in order to maintain the body healthy to the maximum. I know, girls, I said it before, it costs money for all these natural bioidentical hormones are not cheap. They're very expensive. If you could not afford the hormone creams due to the cost, you could use phytoestrogens from plant source that is sold at the health food store. And another thing I want to mention is the lipids, the oils that you need to take every single day. Good fats from whole food sources such as olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, etc. Fat burns fat, and very important that you take good quality from food source oils that are not rancid, and they are well packed in a dark bottle to prevent oxidation or rancidity. So you don't want to have a rancid oil in your system because it creates free radicals. So when you're cooking, never cook with oil. You have to cook with spring water or any type of a good water and seasoning. And after it's cooked, then you mix it with the oil of your choice. Let it cool a little bit, the meal, because the heat, if it's too hot, it's going the oil is going to become rancid. Good oils from whole food sources such as avocado oil, olive oil, also coconut oil, and etc. That type of oils are good for you because your cell membrane needs those oils. The cells are surrounded of good fats, and those good fats maintains the cells healthy and lasting longer. So also take ceramides that is sold at the health food store. Ceramides are very good for the skin, to maintain the skin healthy, with moisture, hydrated. And so remember that oils are a good way to burn fat. Oils are very essential for your not just skin, but for your joints, for your eyes, for your memory, for depression, for helping you sleep better, especially when you're taking the fatty acids, fat oils, essential fatty acids that provides the DHA, that it helps with the eyes, and it helps with the memory, and it helps you sleep. It just helps you relax. So I think this is it for this video, because it's going to be very long, and I will continue doing more videos. But the main thing here, focus in taking care of your hormones, taking care of detoxifying the body, taking care of maintaining good levels of lipids in your body. Fat burns fat. So and then concentrate in working out and being active in order to stimulate your endorphins. That way you'll be able to stimulate more growth hormone to maintain your youthful looks. And there is so much information, and I am trying to give the best I can, the best of my ability, to be able to help you girls. Okay, ciao, bye bye.